How to fix URL signature expired in Messenger. So if you are facing the URL signature expired error in your Messenger, then on this video I will guide you how to resolve this issue. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video you will get an idea to how to fix it. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go to the settings on your device. Once you open settings, you have to scroll all the way down and select apps. Now tap on app management at the top of the screen. Open it and you can either scroll and find out Messenger, or at the top you will see the search bar. Tap on it and search for Messenger. Open Messenger app info page and then tap on storage uses. So here you will see the option to clear cache. Tap on clear cache option and clear all the cache. It's quite necessary to clear all the cache of Messenger because it will help us to fix bugs and glitches that is creating URL signature expired issue. The next thing what you need to do here is you need to simply be on this app info page of Messenger and scroll down and select open by default option, and make sure that you toggle on the button of open supported links so that it will help the Messenger app to open the supported links on Messenger. Once you have done this step, your issue will be fixed, but if it is not yet fixed, then you can easily scroll this notification panel or notification bar, and then you need to first of all turn off this Wi-Fi for a minute, and after that you can easily turn on again. This will help you to fix your URL signature expired issue in Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.